Introducing Pexel Gas from Jones Stevens, an innovative solution for gas piping installations. Pexel Gas is an innovative multi-layer solution that combines polyethylene and aluminum to form a smooth PEX aluminum PEX solution that accelerates and simplifies gas piping installations. Pexel Gas has undergone years of rigorous performance testing and is designed for use with fuel gas, natural gas, LP gas, and propane. It is certified to International Fuel and Gas Code, International Residential Code, and Uniform Plumbing Code. And Pexel Gas meets ASTM and AS standards. Save time and money on the job site. The installation of Pexel Gas is approximately 50% faster than the CSST method, and approximately 75% faster than installing black iron pipe. It's lightweight and hand bendable, making it quick for a one-person installation. And installation is as simple as cut it, ream it, push it, crimp it. Install with confidence. Pexel Gas fittings include a visual indicator on all four sides of the fitting, allowing installers to make a reliable, leak-proof connection every time. Pexel Gas is available in a broad selection of pipe, fittings, and tools in the most common installation sizes for all of your project needs, with equivalent US sizes ranging from 3/8 inch to 1 inch. As a result of the unique proprietary design of Pexel Gas, flow rates can exceed and outperform that of traditional gas piping methods. This allows for a reduction in material, which saves time and money on the job site. Plus, the coils are up to 50% lighter in material weight as compared to CSST. Jones Stevens Pexel Gas Piping is the high-quality, reliable choice for gas piping installations. See how this innovative system provides superior performance. Please contact your sales representative today for more information.